Oh, I thought I'd point out these doors. Here, this one's about finished, and this one is being installed. You can see they put the jam in, and they have some nails sticking out of it, and then they mortar it. My neighbor is here to visit me. Say hello to the world. World?
USA.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
So this is a good example of the layering of. Here's our concrete hollow block, right? And then this layer of plaster, okay? And then this layer of a skim coat. A little close up there. It's probably maybe ½ inch. Okay. You were working on this the other day, getting these windows, frames, edges nice and square as they need to be. And then this is kind of the finisher. And I don't know if you noticed, but last week or so we had only part of this wall finished where the tile was supposed to go. What I had noted to these guys is this area is going to be the refrigerator, so that needs to be finished. So I just told them to finish the whole wall.